Hello, everyone. It's great to see you here. Before we dive into our topic today, I'd love to know how many of you are classic car enthusiasts, and what's your age? Classic cars have a timeless appeal that spans generations, and I'm excited to explore their fascinating history and features with you.
Number 1. 1961 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe 2D, price $7,300. Check out this classic 1961 Ford Thunderbird Sport Coupe, a true beauty with mostly original features. With 50,000 miles on the odometer, this Thunderbird sports a striking blue exterior and a classic white interior. It's powered by a 390cc V8 engine and comes with an automatic transmission. The car runs and drives well, but has a small dent in the left door. This classic is in good shape with no significant damage or issues, making it a great find for any car enthusiast. Located in Las Cruces, NM.
Number 2.
1956 Packard Clipper Super. Price $3,900. This 1956 Packard Clipper Super has 65,000 miles and is equipped with a 350 Packard engine and automatic transmission. The car runs and drives well, though the torsion leveling system is not functioning. This 1956 Packard Clipper Super is in good condition and runs smoothly with its 350 Packard engine and automatic transmission. The interior is in great shape. The torsion leveling system is not working, and I'm unsure how to repair it. The car has a clean title and features a new gas tank with an electric fuel pump, as well as new brake lines. I also have a hood ornament and the Clipper badging for the hood. Price is now $3,900, down from $6,500.
Number 3.
1960 for Mercury Comet, price $5,000. Discover this 1960 for Mercury Comet, a classic vehicle in excellent running condition with a blend of vintage charm and modern updates. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, this Comet features a striking blue exterior and a classic black interior. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The car is known for its reliable performance and smooth driving experience. The vehicle is mechanically sound, with numerous maintenance updates and new parts recently installed. However, it does have some cosmetic details that need attention, and the interior requires some work. Despite these minor issues, the Comet remains a solid and enjoyable classic car. Located in El Paso, TX, and priced at $5,000, this Mercury Comet is available for cash only and no trades. For more details or to schedule a viewing, please contact the seller directly.
Number 4.
1951 Chevrolet Styleline. Price $8,400. This 1951 Chevrolet Styleline is a standout classic with its eye-catching two-tone pink and gray exterior. It features the original inline six-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual column shift transmission, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. The interior is elegantly refinished in gray with pink accents. Krager True Wire wheels and white wall tires add to its vintage appeal. The car is in excellent condition, free of major issues. It's a great option for a V8 upgrade or as a show car. Country Classic Cars, located on historic Route 66 in Stanton, IL, offers a diverse range of classic cars from around the world. Visit us to discover more classic vehicles. For more information, please check the description.
Number 5.
1959 Ford Fairlane Custom 300. Price $10,000. A classic car that captures the essence of mid-century American automotive design. With just 78,000 miles on the odometer, this Fairlane is powered by the original 290Y block motor, offering both authenticity and performance. The car features a distinctive green pearl vinyl wrap, giving it a unique and eye-catching appearance. The interior, while retaining its original charm, has a seat cover on the front seat for added protection. This Fairlane sits on American racing wheels, enhancing its classic look with a modern touch. This Fairlane is in excellent condition for its age, making it a great choice for classic car enthusiasts and collectors. Please note, the car still has an outstanding balance, and the seller is not interested in trades.
Number 6.
1957 Ford Fairlane Coupe. Price $8,300. This 1957 Ford Fairlane Coupe has 110,000 miles and a solid black exterior with a gray interior. It features a tired 290 Y-block engine with a 2-speed automatic transmission. I'm selling this 1957 Ford Fairlane Coupe, which has a solid body and runs well, though the 290 Y-block engine shows some blow-by. It comes with a 2-speed automatic transmission. For an extra cost, I have a 351 West engine and new parts that can be included. Feel free to message me with any questions. I'm open to trades, but only interested in 50s and 60s cars and trucks.
Number 7.
1958 Ford Edsel Ranger. Price $5,200. This vintage American classic is a fantastic project car with great potential. With only 58,000 miles on the odometer, this Edsel is equipped with a rebuilt Ford 390 engine and the rare 3-speed manual transmission 3 on the tree, offering a distinctive driving experience. The exterior sports a classic green color, while the interior remains in very good condition with 1950s factory aftermarket seat covers. The car is believed to be a Canadian-built Edsel and features a clean Indiana title, condition and work needed, engine, rebuilt Ford 390. Original factory block available locked up. Transmission, rare 3-speed manual. Work required. Brakes and gas system need finishing, and the clutch needs to be reconnected. Rust, main rust on the front fenders. Additional video of the engine running is available in the listing. This Edsel is mostly solid, with some work needed to get it fully road ready. It's a great opportunity for anyone interested in classic cars or looking for a project. I'm open to trades for other classic cars as well.
Number 8.
1940 Cadillac 60 Special Sedan for D. Price $8,700. This 1940 Cadillac 60 Special Sedan features a green exterior and has been driven only 16,000 miles. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The car was restored in 1984 and includes new tires. The vehicle boasts a 350 small block engine with a turbo 350 transmission. It has been restored with new gauges, vintage air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and a new fuel tank. The car has a 127-inch wheelbase and a well-maintained interior. This classic Cadillac offers a blend of vintage style and modern updates. Contact the seller if interested, but please avoid asking if the car is available.
Number 9.
1960 for Mercury Monterey. Price $10,000. Discover the charm and classic appeal of this 1960 for Mercury Monterey Breezeway, a solid and unique vehicle that's ready for its next adventure. With 65,000 miles on the odometer, this Monterey features a distinctive turquoise exterior and a well-preserved interior. The car is powered by an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It's equipped with the rare rear electric breezeway window that still operates smoothly. This Mercury Monterey is in excellent condition, boasting zero rust and recent updates including new brakes, tires, and general maintenance. While the paint is faded, a gallon of Hot Rod Flats turquoise paint is included for a potential freshen-up. The roof has a beautiful flake that shimmers in the sunlight. The car will also come with a set of black steel wheels and tires, as the original Keystone and Supreme wheels have been sold. The vehicle runs, drives, and stops reliably, though it does use some oil. Additionally, an extra 390 engine will be included, which was running and built with an Edelbrock can and carburetor when it was removed. I'm asking $10,000 or best offer. I'm open to trades for pre-1965 vehicles and anything unique, such as rock crawlers, hot rods, or other interesting vehicles. Cash is preferred, but I'm willing to negotiate. Feel free to
Number 10.
1953 Buick Riviera Coupe 2D. Price, $16,000. Step back in time with this stunning 1953 Buick Riviera Coupe, a beautifully modified classic that blends vintage charm with modern performance. With only 10,000 miles on the odometer, this Buick features a striking blue exterior paired with a sleek black leather interior. It's equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The car is in very good condition, boasting a mix of original style and contemporary upgrades. The Riviera has undergone several modifications to enhance its performance and comfort. It features a 1969 Camaro front subframe and rear end, a small block 350 engine, and an automatic transmission. Modern conveniences include power steering, power brakes, Coker white wall tires, and a modern AM, FM, CD Bluetooth audio system. This car is not only a joy to drive but also a local show-quality vehicle that draws attention wherever it goes. While it has a few minor chips, it remains a solid and impressive classic. Located in Clover, SC, and priced at $16,000, the owner is also open to trades for trucks from the 1940s, 1950s, or 1960s.
Number 11.
1959 AMC American Rambler. Price, $9,400. Here's a beautifully maintained 1959 AMC American Rambler, a rare find with just 40,000 miles on the odometer. This classic car features a flathead i6195 CI engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, often referred to as 3 on the tree. The exterior is a striking green, repainted to match its original color, while the interior remains completely original. For added safety, the front brakes have been upgraded to modern Scarebird disc brakes. The chrome work on the vehicle has been professionally replated, enhancing its vintage appeal. The car comes with the original wheels and hubcaps, which are available if desired. This Rambler is a well-preserved example of a classic American car, ready for its next owner. Priced at $9,400, feel free to contact for more details or to arrange a viewing.
Number 12.
1961 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price, $9,700. Presenting a stunning 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air, a classic American icon that is sure to capture attention wherever it roams. This vintage beauty is in exceptional condition, reflecting its well-maintained history and timeless appeal. The Bel Air showcases sleek body lines, eye-catching chrome accents, and those legendary tail fins, making it a true standout in any collection. The exterior is finished in a striking turquoise paint, enhancing the car's classic design and vibrant presence. Under the hood, you'll find a robust 6-cylinder engine that delivers smooth power and torque, perfect for both cruising around town and embarking on longer journeys. Inside, the interior is equally impressive with comfortable seating, a classic dashboard, and modern amenities designed for a pleasant driving experience. This 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air is not just a car. It's a piece of automotive history that is ready for its next proud owner. With its timeless style and solid performance, it represents a valuable investment that will continue to appreciate over time. Don't miss the chance to own this remarkable classic. Contact us today to schedule a test drive and feel the thrill of driving a true American classic.
Number 13.
1955 Ford Crown Victoria. Price, $11,500. This 1955 Ford Crown Victoria is a classic American cruiser with just 60,000 miles on the odometer. It features a manual transmission and is painted in a striking pink exterior color with a clean white interior. The car runs on gasoline. This classic beauty is powered by a 272 engine and features a 3-speed manual transmission. It comes with new chrome, new windows, and all stainless trim has been polished to a high shine. This car is a standout cruiser that combines vintage charm with modern updates, making it a fantastic choice for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Priced at $11,500, it's ready to turn heads and deliver a smooth driving experience.
Number 14.
1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door. Price $14,700. This 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door is a classic beauty with a black exterior and burgundy interior. It has a low mileage of just 1,000 miles and features a manual transmission. The car runs on gasoline and has had 3 previous owners. This Bel Air is equipped with a 383 Blueprint engine and a 4-speed transmission. It includes Be-Cool dual fans and a Be-Cool radiator, ensuring it runs smoothly and stays cool. The car is in great running condition. The seller is firm on the price and not interested in trades. The car is not available for viewing until Sunday. This 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air offers a fantastic blend of classic styling and modern performance features. Contact the seller to arrange a viewing after Sunday if interested.
Number 15.
1988 Mercury Cougar Classic. Price $13,700. Mercury Cougar Classic is located near Oakland City Inn. It has 43,339 miles and features an automatic transmission. The car sports a classic white exterior with a striking red leather interior. It runs on gasoline and comes with a clean title. This unique CMC Tiffany Classic Coupe was converted by Classic Motor Carriages of Miami and is based on a 1988 Mercury Cougar chassis. It is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission. The car includes 15-wire wheels, a power sunroof, polished bumpers, simulated exhaust pipes, a luggage rack, and fog lamps. Inside, you'll find power-adjustable front seats, air conditioning, an aftermarket stereo, and power windows and locks.
The magical song seller, slicing through your